Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP, but once again, thank you for your continued support. Big up to all the patrons that are supporting the channel as well. It's amazing. We'll keep striding forward regardless of bear markets, bull markets or whatever. We'll always show you the what we can basically, and thank you for your continued support. Remember this, okay? Billionaires are made in bear markets. Remember that saying. It's a true saying, okay? Because when there's blood in the streets, that's when you enter these positions, okay? And if in doubt, zoom out. I mean, look at XRP. Look at the cycles that it's going through, okay, since its inception. You know, you could say, look at one cycle up, another cycle down, another cycle up, and this is where we're going to, effectively. You know, if in doubt, zoom out, so to speak. And you can see, at the moment, you're probably somewhere around about here in this previous bull run, so to speak, where you've come along. You almost reached the all-time high just there for continuation. Again, you know, we've not got a crystal ball, but this is what we are anticipating for XRP, and a lot of the tokenomics and the fundamentals and the charts are telling us this as well, okay? So, yeah, we're going through a correction. It's a nasty one at that, but, you know, it's not just XRP that's being affected, it's everything. So don't just take it on the chin. Is it just attacking XRP effectively? It's everything, okay? It's crypto in general. It's just gone through a really bad May, isn't it? And if you'd have caught the the video yesterday, in May, sell and go away. In June, the boom will resume, okay? And this is what we're anticipating for XRP, that we've got this nasty May correction, this ABC correction out the way for XRP, and we're now going to start marching onwards and upwards for XRP and take out these waveforms here and absolutely march on in this bull market for XRP and crypto, okay? And all the weakened hands have been shaken out. And hopefully you, the subscribers of CoinsKid.com, CoinsKid in general, are not one of those people that have been shaken out, because I've forewarned you of the ABC correction when we was up here overextended. And obviously, as we hold support and we continue to hold support, that's golden for continuation, okay? Because you are going to fall back. Don't be disillusioned, okay? Move to the left. Look, you go up, you come back down. You go up, you come back down. Things that go up come back down. And if you hold support, golden. And this is why right now you are holding support relatively well. We do want to see a couple of things though. We want to see XRP get above the 20 weekly EMA, okay, and obviously above the golden ratio right here, which we are currently under as resistance, which is 0.91738. So if we can get a bit more upside today for XRP and see the close above at 0.91738, we'll be looking golden for a good week into June, won't we, for XRP and cryptos in general. And we've got the correction out the way and the ABC correction, job done, okay? Now the art, follow Alesso Rastani, okay? The guy's an absolute genius, market psychology doctor, is the main man in my book. He's the main man. He's unbelievable guy. Learned so much from watching his videos the past 4 years, okay? Any video that he uploads, watch, and basically he's saying that the art is discovering where the end of the C wave is, and obviously it is. If you can determine where the end of the C wave is, that's your maximum entry, the most optimal entry point in any market, okay? Because these ABC corrections exist not just in crypto, everywhere, stocks, forex, everything. You look and you'll see ABC corrections, and they're part and part of the cycle of the market psychology, okay, the human emotion. And if you look, you will discover them and you will see them. And now the difficulty is in actually establishing when that C wave has ended, and that is the key to potentially unlocking the start of the next wave up for XRP, okay? So this is what we have to be aware of. When we start to see the reversals in the market, that is a confirmation statement in itself that you're starting to look towards the C wave being over. Now, one of those confirmation statements is obviously higher lows and higher highs on a reversal pattern. So right now what we're going to do is look at XRP on the daily time frame, okay, just to show you what I mean. So right now this is XRP, okay, this is XRP, and you can see we've gone through this A, B, C correction right now, and you can see we've rolled over yesterday, okay, but we've made a higher low than the bottom. Do you see that? So at the moment, if we can actually form a new impulsive wave here and come back up to retest the EMAs, because you can see we're very overextended on these weekly daily EMA, sorry. Here we've got the bearish cross, which is not a good sign, okay? I'm not going to lie to you, it ain't a good sign. Like here, you get the bearish cross and it contributes towards your downtrend, but eventually, you know, you do, like a magnet, draw back. Even when you're overextended to the upside, you're like a magnet, you come back to the EMAs, and if you hold them as support, you continue. Do you see this? Look, you held them support, you didn't fall through the 55, held a support, continuation. Do you see that? And it's the same in a reversal pattern as well. If you get too far and too extended, you do come back to test the EMAs. Now right now, if if you was to come back up here and break these EMAs, you would be forming a beautiful reversal pattern, because what you've done here, you've created a low, okay, you've created a higher low. Potentially now, if you form a new impulsive wave up, okay, break this high, there's your confirmation that you've bottomed out and you're creating higher highs. Do you see this? So you've got your low, your high, and potentially a high. Until we get that confirmation statement, okay, XRP is still in a downtrend, and this is something what I want to make you aware of, okay, that potentially you're still looking at a deeper C wave. Now, the way to identify the C wave being over is obviously a reversal pattern, and hopefully right now we've got the low and we've got a higher low. If we form a new impulsive wave up and make a higher high, boom, there's your confirmation statement. We've actually bottomed out. So do anticipate that that in itself is a good entry point, you know, because that's where you will see the C wave over, the confirmation that you're going to start and break outwards and upwards for XRP. And I would imagine if you do start to come up back here and form a new impulsive wave over the next week or so for XRP, which hopefully we do get, okay, we just get May out the way and we're looking to June to resume, okay, and we get back up, we break the EMAs, we get back above the EMAs, and it was a short-lived bearish cross, a short-lived sort of death cross and a bit of a downtrend, a reversal pattern, so to speak, and we start marching onwards and upwards, you know, into the summer right here and to the latter part of the year on this bull run for XRP. So do keep an eye out on the daily time frame. We're starting to look like we are creating a nice reversal pattern, but for confirmation you need to see the higher high, okay, see the higher high, break through the EMAs, back test of support, you've got your confirmation that you've carried out the C wave correction right there. Do you see that? So that's just a little update, and like Alessio Rastani says, that the secret, the key to knowing your optimal entry point is that confirmation statement of a reversal pattern right there, okay. So that's effectively it, you know, with XRP. That's what we want to see. We want to see the reversal statement, and at the moment we've not quite got that. I know it looks good, I know it looks like we're making these higher lows, which is relatively 50% of what we want to see, but we do want to see the higher highs as well, okay, because if not, you potentially consolidate in, lose more support and roll over again and create a deeper lower low, and that means that the C wave is continuing until it finds a reversal just there, okay. Do you see that? So that's XRP on the daily. What I'm going to do right now is just look on the hourly time frame for you and see what we can see, okay. So looking at XRP on the hourly time frame, and you can see you've had a lovely little pickup off this bottom right here, just here. This was a tradable event just here. Do you see this? Because this is a pattern in itself. You're making these high lows. Do you see this? And you're sort of doing something like that. Basically a W bottom, so to speak. It's not pretty, but you can see it's basically running out of steam on the selling bias, okay. And in the middle there, you created a level of resistance for yourself. Do you see this level of resistance? Just here, you've got this resistance just there, okay. Once it was broken, you go long, obviously, because you've broken resistance, and the target from that is from the neckline just there down to the wick. You can see that, and you can see it's absolutely carried out that reversal pattern just there. Do you see that? You broke the level of resistance and you've gone up and you've absolutely met the target right there, okay. And now you're consolidating on that particular target. So that was a lovely little trade. Again, remember these little break patterns. You see you broke it there, back to the support, continuation. That was a lovely little long opportunity right there of around about 5% for XRP. So remember, a low comes back up, level of support at resistance, comes back, makes a higher low. It's a reversal pattern. It's a big tick that you're going to get a bit of a reversal right there. And you can see from the bottom at 79 cents, XRP is currently up 11%. At the top there, it was up 12%, 13%. So it's getting a nice bit of upside. And what's good here, you're actually above the 55 EMA at the moment. Now, obviously, like I've said to you, if you can continue to be above these EMAs and you continue to backtest some support, continuation, what's going to happen, you're going to creep up, you're going to backtest to 55, and you're going to tackle this level of resistance once more. If you do get through that, that's a massive confirmation statement that you're potentially going into the next week bullish for XRP, and you've bottomed out. So that's just a little update for XRP. Hopefully we've got this C wave out the window right now, and just like I've outlined to you, okay, you've got your low, you've got your higher low. All we do need to do now is come back up and break this high to make the higher high. Boom, reversal. Do you see that? And you've rolled, and just like this little pattern just here I've shown you, you're running out of steam on the selling pressure. Do you see that? Because you're making that WW bottom, and on the high time frames you're looking at this as well, WW bottom. Do you see that with the level of resistance just there? Boom. So fingers crossed, you know, tomorrow I'll come back and XRP is bottomed out. We'll break out this level of resistance right here. We break out because, like I've said to you, this is a descending broadening channel right here, and if XRP breaks it, okay, usually you come back to where you formed it, and you will be looking at yourself coming back up to there, breaking this B high, taking on this local high, continuation, wave 3 there for XRP over the next week to 2 weeks, breaking out and busting a move and getting confidence back into the market. So hopefully we're painting the beautiful reversal pattern right here that Alessio Rastani has pointed out. You know, if you can identify the C wave being complete, they're your optimal entry points right there. And like I said to you, if you start to now grow on and make a higher high than this, you're not only breaking through that level of resistance, which is a confirmation statement of a reversal, you're breaking this high. It's all beautiful, it's all golden. So we can't see XRP roll here, that's what I'm trying to say, because if it does come up against this level of resistance and starts to roll and come back down, potentially forming a lower low than that, then we've not actually got the reversal pattern right here for XRP. So just a little update for you guys, okay? Have a good Sunday. I'll be back to another update for XRP, but so far so good. We've got a nice little bit of pick up here. Like I said to you, if we maintain above the 55, it's going to make us tackle that, and if we can come up and bust out. See you later, alligator. But again, if we do start to lose it, then do anticipate that you could see more capitulation and more of a rollover in the market and a larger correction, and you know, potentially from there down to retest this low, forming a double bottom, so to speak. And then you're looking at a 26% correction right there for XRP. But we don't want that. That's it now. We want to march onwards and upwards, don't we, for XRP? In June, the boom will resume. In May, sell and go away. Remember that, okay? And hopefully it comes to fruition, that little rhyme there. So thank you for your support, everybody. I'll be back to another XRP update. Take care. Bye-bye.